We're going to begin tonight with President Biden's extraordinary new campaign to try to convince unvaccinated Americans to get their shots and help end this horrid pandemic once and for all. Well, the president today was really pleading with Americans to realize this is now an issue of life and death, saying that those who haven't had their shot are actually a danger to others. The president is also calling on Americans to follow the CDC's new guidance to wear those masks indoors in areas where COVID is spreading rapidly. And tonight, 70% of counties in the U.S. have that high or substantial COVID transmission. President Biden announcing tonight that the nation's largest employer, the federal government, is introducing strict new standards for the unvaccinated. The president says it is possible that COVID booster shots will be needed later, but he says not now. But Israel is actually starting to give a third dose to adults age 60 and up. That begins this weekend. Well, we've got team coverage of the pandemic, starting with CBS's Weijia Jiang at the White House. Good evening, Weijia.
Good evening, Nora. Less than 1 month ago on July 4th, President Biden declared independence from the virus. But tonight, he has a very different, dire message, calling the pandemic an American tragedy. And now he's hoping the private sector will follow his lead to end it. Today, President Biden called out vaccine holdouts and pleaded with them to change their minds.
If, in fact, you're unvaccinated, you present a problem to yourself, to your family, and to those with whom you work.
The Delta variant is driving the latest deadly surge, and so are the 100 million people who are eligible but remain unvaccinated.
Too many people are dying.
To reverse the trend, the president touted new incentives, like urging states to offer $100 to every newly vaccinated American.
I know the paying people to get vaccinated might sound unfair to folks who've gotten vaccinated already. But here's the deal. If incentives help us beat this virus, I believe we should use them.
He also announced that all civilian federal employees, plus contractors, will have to get vaccinated or get tested for COVID-19 weekly or twice a week. They'll be required to wear a mask, social distance, and might have official travel restricted. President Biden also directed the Defense Department to look into requiring vaccines for all service members. States like New York and California, along with a growing number of the country's biggest companies like Facebook, Google, and BlackRock, are taking matters into their own hands, requiring vaccination in order to return to work. More than 600 colleges are also mandating them for at least some students or employees. But young people are also among the most hesitant. A prominent pro-Trump youth group is fueling the fears over the vaccine.
We are not going to tolerate students to be forced to get the vaccine against their will.
The president said it's time to cut through the misinformation.
The vaccine was developed and authorized under a Republican administration, and it's been distributed and administered under a Democratic administration. Look, this is not about red states and blue states.
A White House official tells CBS News that those new requirements for federal workers go into effect immediately, but agencies will have some time to establish new vaccination and testing programs. Nora?
All right, Weijia Jiang, thank you.